Let's see now for loops, which is then another control structures in R. So there are three types of loops in R. Now, what is a loop? A loop is a sequence of instruction that is repeated until a certain condition is met. So the basic three loops are for loop, while loop, and the repeat loop. Now let's see how do we work with a for loop. So inside the for loop here, there is a items in sequence. Inside the for loop, items in sequence are present. And those items in sequence will continuously iterate till the last item is encountered into the sequence. So till the last item is encountered into the sequence, continuous block statement is repetitively working. As soon as last item into the sequence encountered, automatically exit will be there from that loop. So what is the basic syntax of writing the for loop? Here the for loop will be there, and inside it we have to write the sequence. And inside the sequence, to capture one by one sequence, value is being taken. And then this for loop will be iterated with these statements one by one continuously till this sequence is executing the last number. Let's see now the working example now. For keyword is there. Now here suppose I had given a sequence of statement from 1 to 5. So how many times this for loop will be executed, because sequence is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means up to 5 the statement is given here. Now this for loop will be taking one by one all the sequence into the val, and every time the sequence is being taken and this statement will be executed. Okay, then now suppose here the first element, because we had just mentioned here, just make a range of 1 to 5. So all the iteration from 1 to 5 will be done now. So initially the number 1 will be taken, that will go to the val. Okay, val is kind of index which will take out the value of 1 inside the val, and now it will execute this statement written inside the block side. So inside the val, what is the value? Value is here, the value is 1, because the value is 1, so value will become 1. So it will be printing 1. Now into the next sequence, again it will check it out. What is the next value? 2. 2 will come here. So inside the val, the number 2 will be there. Here, the number 2 will be there. And this number 2 here, when it will be done, it will print the value number 2. So what it will print? Number 2 will be there. Then into the third time, this third will be given pick from here into the val. So the new value will be 3, and the print statement here, print value will be 3. Because every time this for loop is picking the value from the sequence and printing the same number here into the statement. Then again the fourth number will be taken here into the val, and the print val will printing the number 4. And again into the number 5, the 5th number will be taken and printing will be done 5 number. Now we can see there is no more number. So automatically it will exit. Now it means this for loop will be ended automatically. So one by one sequence order is taken from here. One by one sequence order is taken here into the value, and every time this value statement is executed, and the value, this particular value is going to be printed. So that 1 is coming here into the val. So print val is 1. Now the next time again it is coming here as a 2. So that one is there. So print val 2. Then the third one again, this value is 3. So it is taking as a 3 value. Print val will be 3 because value is going to be printed here. Then 4 is going to print it, and at the end 5 will be there. So the 5 will be printed. As soon as the last is encountered, now exit will be there. So in this way, it is going to work. How to work here? Suppose here we had mentioned for val in 1 to 5 print val. Now suppose here I am just writing it here. So one can see it here. What is the execution coming here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As soon as the ending 5 number is executed, the statement is over. The loop is over. The loop is finished. Okay. Suppose here I'm just writing here this one. Here I'm writing print end. It means as soon as, see here, it will be printing 5 times now. See here, why end is coming here? Because why print end is coming here? 5 times here, end, because 5 time iteration is going on. And as soon as this iteration of 5 times will be ended, so the loop will be automatically ended here. Okay. Now suppose here, I'm just writing print end of loop. So one can see here, the 5 times it will be printed value, and at the end this loop will be printed, end of loop here. We can write the for loop here in this way also. So this is also right and this way is also right. In a one statement also, the same output you will be getting it here. We can see certain more. Suppose here I am writing for loop for I in 1 to 10. So 10 times the loop will be iterated. As soon as 10 is over, then loop will be finished. So this value is just an index, and one can keep here any character, means any index variable I, V, A, L, Z, anything. But the same should be here into the print statement. I'm just running it here. So here from 1 to 10, it is printing it here. Now one more program one can see here. Suppose I had created here a variable here week. So this one is a vector actually. Certain days are mentioned here into the vector. Now suppose here I want to iterate all these week days into the for loop here. So if it is created here for day in week. So day is just a variable and week is the vector which is coming from here. So for day in week, just print the day. So what will happen? One by one, these days will come. So suppose here week is there, week is there. So this day will come here one by one. So what will happen? Monday will come here into the day and print Monday. Then next Tuesday will come here, Tuesday and print Tuesday. Then Wednesday will come here, then print Wednesday. Then Thursday will come here, then print Thursday. And as soon as it will encounter Saturday, no more printing will be there. So if I am running it here, this one. So one can see it is just printing Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So all is being printed. So this one is the entire program. So from here, this one is a week, and then we are making a for loop of the same week here. Okay. Suppose here I had just given, I created a vector here and I want to iterate all these vector into the for loop. So simply I can iterate it. All these printings are coming here. So here I have to, just a moment. Now it is printed, we can see it here. ABCDs are coming here. So this one is overall for the for loops.